Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet an I-cord. You can use this I-cord for many things. You can use for purse strap, a bag handle, drawstring, or like a tank top strap. Yeah, many things. Alright, here's what it looks like. It's very easy. It's not that difficult at all. Okay, today I'm using size 6mm hook, and then I use size 5 bulky yarn. This is macrame cotton from Ice Yarn here. This one that I use. Ice Yarn, macrame bulky cotton. Alright, you can use any hook, any yarn you like. So first, make a slip knot. Use any method you prefer for making a slip knot. Here's what I like to do. So I twist my yarn like this, okay, and then pull up a loop. Very easy. I like this method. Everyone like different, so whatever you prefer. Alright, and now I'm gonna make 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. And then now I'm gonna insert my hook into the second chain from the hook here. So this is the first chain. This is the second chain. I'm gonna insert my hook into that second chain from the hook, and then yarn over, pull up a loop. And then now I'm gonna insert my hook into the next chain, which is the last chain. So insert my hook into the next chain there, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. And now, this part can be a little bit scary, a little difficult, but after you do this over and over, you'll be okay. Don't worry. And very easy to, start over too. Don't worry. Just be patient. So, next, after I have 3 loops on my hook, I'm gonna remove the last 2 loops out of my hook. But before I remove, I want you to pinch right here. So those 2 loops is not unwork, Make sure don't let it go. So I remove the last 2 loops there, and then I pinch it here. Alright, now I have 1 loop left on my hook. So next, I'm gonna yarn over my hook and then pull through that loop on my hook. Alright, and then next, I'm gonna insert my hook into the second loop here. Hope you can see. See the second loop there? I'm gonna insert my hook into that second loop, and then yarn over my hook and then pull up a loop. And then I'm gonna insert my hook into the last loop there. So insert my hook there, and then yarn over my hook and then pull up a loop. That's it. And then we're just gonna repeat that over and over. So now I have 3 loops on my hook, right? And then I'm gonna remove the last 2 loops out of my hook. And before that, again, pinch it. So those 2 loops not go away. So yeah, I pinch it. I remove the last 2 loops like that. And I have 1 loop left on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over my hook and then pull up a loop. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert my hook into the next loop here. Here, okay. Insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop. And then I insert my hook into the last loop here. Insert my hook into the last loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Alright, and repeat that. I pinch it and then remove the last 2 loops out of my hook until I have 1 loop left, and then I yarn over my hook, pull up a loop, and then insert my hook into the next loop here. Hope you can see this one, okay? And then yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I insert my hook into the last loop here. Be careful, don't let this loop go, okay? Just insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Alright, here's what it looks like so far. Let me show you a few more rows. Just repeat the same thing. Okay, pinch it and then remove the last 2 loops. And then yarn over, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the last loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Repeat that. I pinch it and remove the last 2 loops out of my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the last loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. I show you one more time. So I pinch it and then remove the last 2 loops out of my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the last loop here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Like that. You're just gonna keep repeating this over and over. As you can see, it starts to look like an I-cord, right? Let me show you this one. See? Very nice. And now, if you reach your desired length, you happy with the length that you have. So to finish this is very easy. So you have 3 loops on your hook, right? You're gonna yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, and then chain 1 to secure, and then cut the yarn. So after that, I cut my yarn and pull the yarn out, and bravo, you have an I-cord. That's it, guys. Very easy. All right, let me know what you use your I-cord for: a handbag, drawstring, or purse strap. I would love to know. All right, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and share this video with your friends. It's helped me out a lot. I appreciate everyone's support, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.